How to download all files from Google Drive at once, step by step. This tutorial shows you how to grab everything from your Drive in one go. First, open Chrome and go to drive.google.com. Tap on any file inside My Drive. After that, tap and hold to select it. Then tap any other files to add them to your selection. From there, tap the three dots in the top right. At this point, tap Download to save your selected files as a zip. In the next step, if your Drive has too many files to select manually, open Google Takeout instead. Following this, tap Deselect All. Then scroll down and turn on Drive Only. Once done, scroll to the bottom and tap Next Step. From here, choose your export settings, such as file type and archive size. At this stage, tap Create Export. After this, wait for Google to prepare your files. This can take anywhere from minutes to hours, depending on how much you have stored. Once completed, you'll get a notification or email once your export is ready. Finally, tap Download from the Takeout page to save the completed archive to your device. Keep in mind, selecting files manually works for smaller amounts, but Google Takeout is the more reliable method if you want to download everything from a large drive at once. And that's it. If this guide helped you download all your files from Google Drive, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.